Hi there guys, in today's video of VinylCut, we'll be looking at locking and unlocking shapes. But let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and also we upload videos daily, so keep eye there for new content. Otherwise, we're back in the program here. Now, locking and unlocking shapes, it's a very handy feature to use, especially in let's say a case like this. You've got your background layer and then you've got your words on it, but let's say the words like this is only outline. Now what so often happens is you try select your words and then you move your background, you try again, and then finally you think you got it, you're still only selecting the background and moving it. So even sometimes when you've selected your shape, you can still move your background unless you're using the control handle here on the top left. Now that can be rather frustrating at times. So what you can do to prevent that is you lock the back layer. Or let's say you like the position of your front layer and you don't want that to move, you can also lock that. Then so let's have a quick look at it. So the easiest way, I would say, is using your layers tab. So what you can do is you select your background layer, or what you do is you got your layers tab and you select it there. Then what you do is by this little dots, which is under the lock, you just click on that and it'll show a little lock. Now as you can see on the layers we cannot select it, and even here, even if we drag a selection box, we're only selecting the text. Now it's way easier to move things without accidentally selecting the background. Now to unlock it, likewise, you can just navigate here to your layers tab and click on the little lock. Now it is unlocked. Another way we can do that is either by our top menu, we go here to object with our layer selected, obviously, and we'll navigate down until we find lock. And we press that. Here you can see the shortcut keys, Control Alt L for lock, Control Alt Shift for unlock. We'll cover that now. So same way, you click there. Now we can actually see on our layers tab that it is locked. Then you can go to object and you go unlock all, then it will unlock that layer as well. Another way we can do this, we click it, we right click, and then at the bottom here you can see we've got the lock and unlock all function. So now with the shortcut keys, likewise, so Control Alt plus L, now it's locked. Control Alt Shift plus L, now it's unlocked. And then yeah, if we're working with groups, say this word is actually a group of a lot of different shapes. Now the same way, if you have this group open and you click on the little locks, you can lock individual letters or shapes in it. Also you can click here on the main folder for the group and it will lock the whole group. Same way to unlock it, you can click that button. Another way we can do this is just on the layers tab, we've got this little icon here. We've covered this before in another tutorial, but I'll just go over it again. So you can click there and then you can navigate down and we've got your lock and unlock. So you can click lock and then from its panel or each drop down or side panel, we have options here. So lock all layers, unlock all layers, toggle all layers. So first of all, lock all layers. So we zoom in now, we move down here, we can see all the layers are locked. You go there again, go to lock and say unlock. But the toggle, let's say we've got this layer locked, but we want the background rather locked and this one unlocked. Then you can also go there, you can click on that little button, you go to lock, and you go toggle all layers. Now it will lock the background and unlock all the other layers. So just a handy little feature to know if you need to. Otherwise, yeah, that is it on locking and unlocking layers. Like I said, a very handy feature if you can be working in complex designs or designs where it's very hard to select the shape. Otherwise, if we go to VinylCut.co.za, the program is freely available there. Just go to the downloads page. Otherwise, under softwaretraining.co.za, like I mentioned, we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and also we upload daily. And And we also have a search option, so if you want to isolate your search, if you're looking for anything specific. Otherwise, if you don't find what you look for, just go here, request a training video, then we'll make that for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.